Hello, everyone. Welcome to EDUA 516, Instructional and Transformational Leadership. My name is Will Netterson, and I'm your adjunct professor instructor for the course. Looking forward to working with you for the next 8 weeks as we dive into leadership and looking at how that affects instruction as well as transforming your school to where you want to take your culture. So I'm going to give you just a little background about myself and who I am. You can also find that in your Meet the Instructor component right here. You're going to see that the video is going to be put up right here, but I am a coordinator for Tustin Unified School District with adult education. It is a new position for me this year. I've gone from a 11-month employee to a 12-month employee, learning a whole lot of new things as I work with students over the age of 18 and helping support them either get a diploma if they had dropped out, working with ESL or some career technical as well. So that's who I am. A little more background besides that. I've been an elementary principal, an assistant principal at a middle school, an elementary teacher, and a teacher on special assignment. I think that my journey has given me a lot of insight in looking at how to be a leader as a teacher leader, an instructional leader, and then ultimately as a site leader as well. So I'll be sharing that with you. Please know that each week you'll get a video like this looking at the course and what it looks like. I'll take you into the weeks. I look forward to meeting you all on our first live session, which is a Wednesday at 6 p.m. I hope that you have a great week. Can't wait to learn more about you in the discussion board. God bless.